Alright, rocket fans, today we are making a draft for a frame for the seat so we can mount it in our test capsule out there. And so I know I have put the, I was going to say 3D scanner herpes markers on the seat, and I have scanned it. But I think it's the second or third time I've ever scanned anything, and I'm having a bit of a hard time figuring out how to use the mesh files in a CAD program, which is what it is. If you guys have worked with scans and in CAD files before, you please send some suggestions of how to work with it. I would love to see it. But we are using some good old cardboard, and we're going to do some good old CAD design. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw up what I think is a good first draft for a seat frame. Now let's try and see if we can get it in.